Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Thanks for watching. I'm just in the van with Adam. We're just heading down to Essex to fit 2 garage doors today. So some of you may know we've now launched the garage door side of our business, so we're doing all sorts of electric garage doors. So stay watching, we're going to show you the whole process today and show you how we get on. So we've just arrived at the job. As you can see, this customer's got 2 manual up and over doors, so it's going to replace them with our electric roller shutters. So we're about to start taking them off and we'll show you the process. Right, so that's us all finished. We've used our black electric roller shutter doors and we've programmed 4 different remotes for this customer. So on each remote, the top button opens the left door and the bottom button opens the right door. So it's nice and easy now. When he pulls up in his car, he can press the button and drive the car straight in rather than his old manual doors. So thanks for watching. We're going to show you some of our garage door options now.
Right, so we're back at the unit now. As you can see, our customer today, he went for the black door. As you can see, we do a range of colours here. They're very well insulated and very secure. If you're interested, just give us a contact. We'll put the contact details at the end of the video and they'll be in the description.
Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll be posting more videos soon.